Blue Mountains on a sunny Sunday with our son Quintin.
Yeah, he's looking at the map, the trail map.
Go ahead and say hi,
Hi.
Quinn.
Hi. So we did this when you were in Mum's belly, and we're gonna try again.
That was about 9 months ago.
We're 732 meters high.
And we're gonna go on the Waterfall Circuit Walk, which is a medium grade walk that's 2.5 hours.
Yeah.
I'm a bit nervous because now that I'm in trimester 3, I got a big belly.
So we're gonna take it easy.
Here we go with Quintin, out of the belly. There are some acacias blooming.
Yeah.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small. We can sit together. It's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free. Sometimes you need to go and take a step out to see the truth around you. From a distance you can tell. You and me, we're meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free. You and me, meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free.
Our friends Aga and Norbert love to take this track.
They do it a lot with their dog Troubles. And Aga posted photos of some terrestrial orchids. So I was hoping that we'd be able to spot them too.
Sleeping. How's the track been so far, Renee?
Really pretty.
Yeah.
Yeah, I feel almost like I'm in a canyon because we've been going down and now there's these really steep walls on both sides of us. And we've been walking along by the stream and lots of ferns and green and no orchids yet. I have a feeling I might miss it. They're not very showy.
Yeah. Same colour as the earth. waterfalls, hanging out with the water. He loves it.
Oh, big one! You're so
Pretty chilled out. He's a little bit heavy, but we're managing, aren't we, Quintin?
He's a little over 7 kilograms, so he's a bit more weight than when he was in my belly.
You are.
Yeah,
Now you're just a chubster.
a chubster. Got the rolls. But he loved the last waterfalls. He was pretty happy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
He was smiling and talking up a storm.
So he had a feed just after we had lunch and ready to hit the road again.
Yeah.
Next waterfall, Federal Falls. Tough with a bit of weight on the front. It's been a beautiful walk. I really like this walk. I give it a 4.5 stars. Amazing waterfalls.
Most of them were huge.
And good bird life. Lots of ferns.
Lots of ferns.
My favourite. What was your favourite?
Waterfalls. Yeah. This one's got layers. This is the last 700 meters of our trek today.
I am out of breath. That was a good hike though. And Quintin woke up for the last section of it.
Did you like it, bud?
You like it? It was pretty interesting, eh?